The Oukitel WP200 PRO versus the Doogee Blade GT Ultra. Let's quickly compare the specs of these two beautiful rugged devices. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there we go guys, the Doogee Blade GT Ultra versus the Oukitel WP200 PRO. Which of the two devices is equipped with the best specs in your opinion? I decided to compare these two devices because they have very similar prices. They are expected to have very similar prices, although both devices are not currently available, but they are expected to be sold for very similar prices. That's why I compared both of them. Anyway, what do you guys think about both devices? Which do you think is best in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.